accidentally deleted your WhatsApp messages? Don't panic. If you have a backup, there's a way to get them back. First of all, you can go to File Manager and then click on All Files. Go to Internal Storage and then Android, now Media, and find an option called COM WhatsApp. Now, WhatsApp, and then at last, Databases. Now select all these files and copy them. Now go back and then click on Backups. Now paste all the files here. Secondly, check if you actually have a backup. Go to WhatsApp, then Settings, then Chats, and now Chat Backup. Note the last backup date now. If there is a backup, then you can load your chats back. Now uninstall WhatsApp and then reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. Make sure that you are using the same phone number. When you will open WhatsApp now, it will detect the backup. Just tap Restore and wait. Here you go. Now WhatsApp chats should be back. Hope this helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content.